And today's video is going to be very special about Bitcoin because we will talk about the next price target of Bitcoin. This time 50% chances to pump or crash, but I will give you, my friends, the moment direction to this time how much chances to Bitcoin was starting pumping, how much chances to it was pump, and how much chances to it was crash down, and what was the target. So the first target, my friend, of Bitcoin, everybody knows this, my friends, to this time it will be chances to pumps up. But remember guys, I have one request, I will tell you about this, but subscribe this channel and join my Telegram group for unlimited VIP signal. Guys, if you want unlimited VIP signal, the link is in the description. Join my Telegram group. This time, about this 50% chances, my friends, to Bitcoin was pumps up to 19 USD dollar, 19k USD dollar. Okay guys, 19,000. But remember, there are also chances to it was crash down to $11,000. This is so bad crash, my friend, to December. My brothers, definitely we will see Bitcoin price, it will be come down from 13 to 11 USD dollar, 11k USD dollar. Okay guys, so this was a huge crash was coming, but before this crash, maybe Bitcoin was pumps up and to 19 USD dollar. So your liquidation must be above from that. Okay, if you are a future trader, and I hope your liquidation will be above up. So take a long entry, but for a very short time. Okay, I recommend you to focus on short position, not on long position. Okay, I hope you will be 100% secure. So hope you enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, and join my Telegram group for unlimited VIP signals.